Welcome to the wedding of the century! This ceremony is all about Caitlin and PJ. We are here to bind their love together for life. Wife and wife guy. No takesies backsies. We've crossed over into the 21st century, the digital age, the largest audience possible. We're being streamed into 8 million homes, 4 countries, and 6 languages. Your love for each other is so powerful, we can all see it. It's a force that makes you both look at each other the way you do.
Caitlin, it is truly amazing to be standing here with you. You have been the spark that has saved and changed my life countless times over. I will always remember to share myself with you. As long as we continue to share ourselves with each other, we will always find ourselves within the other person. I cannot wait to share all of this and everything that comes next with you. I love
you. PJ, I choose every morning, noon, and night with you. I choose to grow and adapt and forgive and learn. I choose gentleness. I choose thoughtfulness. I choose love. I choose you.
Do you, PJ Beardsley, take Caitlin Looney to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I
do. Do you, Caitlin Looney, take PJ Beardsley to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Yes. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you man and wife.
Caitlin and PJ, tonight you have taught me that true love persists no matter what, as well as the value in falling for your best friend. I love you guys very much and cannot wait to see what's in store for you guys and your future.
To love somebody is not just a strong feeling. It's a decision, it's a judgment, it's a promise. The fact that both of you have chosen each other every day in small and big ways gives me hope about the future.
With that, Caitlin and PJ.
I love you both and congratulations.
Love you all, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.